Hi, in the last lecture we have talked about the compact form, outline form and tabular form. There is one interesting use of tabular form which I will discuss with you in this lecture. Before that, suppose I want to send filter data consisting of region, shipping mode, average of sales and sum of profit to someone. Let us filter a region for Central and East. In the outline form, if we copy and paste filter data somewhere, it will not be useful since it consists of several blank cells. It will not be useful for importing in SQL database, Access database or any other database just because it contains blank cells, subtotals and grand totals. We have to do some changes to make it compatible in database format before importing. How we can avoid these unnecessary adjustments? Do Ctrl Z. Let us change the layout to tabular format. Remove blank rows, remove subtotals, remove grand totals and enable repeat all label items option. Now our data does not contain any blank cell. The data in the current layout or structure is in compatible format of any database. It contains exactly one row for each permutation or combination. We can copy it and paste it anywhere, either in Excel sheet or CSV format or in SQL database or in Access database to import and use it for analysis. Thank you.